Okay.
Will be around 45 minutes to 1 hour.
Okay.
We will go inside the river, that side,
Ah.
and then we will come back later. Yes.
Okay.
Have you been here before?
No, no.
It's your first time
Yeah.
in Bintan?
Yeah.
So welcome to Bintan as well. You are from India?
Singapore. Yeah.
You are working in Singapore.
Yeah.
But you are born in Delhi or Mumbai?
Hyderabad,
Oh,
South
India. Okay, so let's go, Captain. Okay. So from South India. I had my friend there in Mumbai. So your first time in Bintan.
What is that?
This is before our lockdown. COVID-19 coming, they are you never seen in the boat like this, right? In Singapore. No, but they're very big ones. So you can see all around the mangrove tree.
Very long.
So you can go inside the jungle. And our captain before driving the F1, so very fast.
Night time.
If you are camp at night time, we will hunting the firefly together. So normally they fishing and then they looking for crab. They will put their inside.
Crab. Oh, local people.
Yeah, the local people make it. So we will. So they have a variety of the. This one the mango
How they are
tree.
growing?
You can see different root. This one we call it a spider root. It's very long. It's like a spider. So we call it a spider root. Yes. And then the mango tree they grow very very slowly. Yeah, only 2 or 3 centimeter a year.
Sir.
Yeah, they have a fruit also. So when the fruit drop, and then they will grow up.
It's live.
Yes, this is a snake. Yes, we call it a golden ring snake.
What's it?
Golden
Light
ring.
coming.
It's
నీది లైట్ ఫ్లాష్
అది కాదంటే ఆయన చూపిస్తాను.
ఓ ఫ్లైట్ మరి అది షేక్ కావాలి కదా
yeah.
కావట్లేదు కదా
This
Oh, the
one they
snake
have a
antundi kada?
poison, yeah.
విచ్ పైథాన్
Not we have a python here, but a small one. But this
Small one.
not a python. Yeah, this one is a golden ring snake. They have a poison, but it's not hot. Very good. Yeah. You can take a photo or video. It's good. Yes. After also we have a very good spot for take some photo for you. Yeah, this one the nipa palm tree. Yeah, this one they don't have a fruit yet, but after in front you can find. Okay. Now is low tide, so you can
మనం
see
ఫోటో
a lot of
తీసుకుందాం
road. If high tide, the level water will be going up until here. Yeah, very high, and then we cannot see the road. Now we can see, and then for the road, small fish also inside. Some crab will be inside.
Not put your hand too nice. Put your hand down so I can ping.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful now. Even in the outside very hot, but in the inside here not too hot.
Okay, now you can show.
Okay, no problem. Yeah. Okay. Oh, very beautiful. Yeah. Okay, Vita. Yeah. Okay. It's monkey there.
Oh, is it
Monkey. You see, I don't want to use a lens. Oh, it's a magic ball. Yes, you can show to your family. Oh, what is that? Okay.
Thank you.
And then the can see? Hello, good morning. Oh, this one kids on they don't scare.
Yeah. Oh,
You see, they eat the leaf. They eat the leaf. We have two type of the monkey here. This one, and then one more is a gray one.
Warnanya nih, ada.
Ada anak dia.
Ada kan?
Ada di belakang tadi.
Nah, ini atasnya.
Ah, bisa. Gak ada ini.
Enak mungkin daun dia.
Ini, iya.
Ya.
Yes, see that.
camera కోసం. Oh, now it's came.
They still not moving, yeah.
Ah,
At least we don't shake them, it's okay. They still.
okay. Now. Hmm.
So, like, outside is very hot, but inside is very good, right?
Yeah.
Not hot. One more snake. You want
Where?
to see? In front of us. There. Can see a
Where?
small.
Ah, yeah. Ah.
Oh,
1 minute slow.
yeah. This one is the real snake, yeah. Okay.
Ah, it's moving, no?
Just a bit, yeah, moving. This one very common we can find in the mangrove. Oh, 3 snakes.
What will you do if they attack us?
And this one they're sleeping.
What if they will?
They wake up about 6 o'clock in the night time. Normally they will wake up.
Sometimes when it's hungry, it wake up different.
No, no. They always sleep in the day. Yeah, it's a species like that. When getting dark, they will start to moving. Take a photo. So if you like to take a photo, you just sit here. It's okay. I will take for you. You can just sit here. It's very beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just go behind.
Yeah. Now they
Okay. But very far, yeah. Okay.
You come.
Hey, Johnny, yes, Papa. Okay. Hello.
Jeannie, hi, Jeannie.
Johnny and Jeannie. Yeah. Hello, this is some snake on your top. Ooh.
Where is that?
There.
Where?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
No.
Uh-huh. Okay, we already passed. Yay!
Gadda and
Not smelly. It's good.
It's
I
good.
did salty.
salty. It's
Only salty because this one is seawater.
seawater.
Yes, salty a bit.
So I'm seeing very dirty.
No, this one not dirty.
No dirty.
Because only the color of the mud here. You see? I will show to you. Only for you, yeah. You see the water? You see the water is
Okay.
clear, right?
Okay.
Oh, not dirty. Even the car like this, the water is not dirty.
What
I
is
can
that?
drink. Yes, okay.
Oh, very fast.
Let's take a look. Hello, how are you? Actually, it's very clear. Okay, we are hunting some crab. Sometimes they have a crab also, yeah. Okay. Oh, some boat is there. You see something? This one the different road. This one the fruit already fall down. Yes. Okay. How are you? The
Orchid.
variety of orchid in jungle.
Oh.
Yeah, they have a flower here before white color.
Ah.
Already gone.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
These people they will take it to the home.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, this one for the decoration.
Yeah. I am also same style.
Pagi ada nih.
Ada ya? Kami nggak ada lihat. This one some snake. Oh, okay. So we cannot eat. Yeah.
We cannot eat this.
Cannot. Even the monkey they don't want also. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. they have a old one become the red color.
Oh.
Here young is a pig. Yeah. We are close. Oh, this is a Bintan Island. Oh, welcome to Bintan.